The Mermaid Club's pretty exclusive. Let's see if you pass the test. Now it's Barbie's turn. Sorry, Barbie. No party for you. Running. Sorry. Probably should have said something. It's okay. Just grab a shell and add our special concoctions. Soon, you'll have a soapy shell. This'll help smooth things out. Ooh, works a little too well. Importantly, they're the perfect eyebrow stencils. Wow, you're the catch of the day! But she's too smart for hooks. Oh no! A net! Her only weakness! Actually, it's not a bad look. Just add some makeup and it gets a fishnet texture. Now add glitter. There's always room for glitter. Especially for that fresh-kissed look. Now let's add some special mermaid foam. Come on, we're gonna need a lot. No, we're not shaving her head. We're using it to add some color. Ah, blue, the color of the sea.
Wow!
Next, we'll need to blow dry, so we're gonna need some air. Come on, pufferfish, do your thing. Wow, your hair looks great!
Wow!
But we're just getting started.
Yes!
Now let's add some jewels for when you really want to sparkle. But now for the big moment, your legs! Why don't we try a trash bag? This might take some practice. Now for some fins. What else can we add? Let's look in this treasure bag. What's inside? Glitter. Well, pour it on. Wow, it really matches your hair.
Yay! Ew!
Now let's fix up those hands. Cover your arms with tights. And make some finger holes. Now you've got webbed armbands. Ooh, a silver fish! Grab it! Those sequin scales can come in handy. Cover up your armbands, and they'll really start to shine. Oh, Mr. Bones wants to help. He's giving you his captain hat. Arr. But we need just a small part. Decorate with your favorite shells and all sorts of sea treasures. It's your brand new tiara. What the? Are you all right? Gummy bears. Add soda. and stir it all up together.
Yay!
Now pour it into a fishtail mold. Add the straw and it's a lollipop. It's a mermaid's favorite treat. Okay, the clam has a secret treasure. Fake nails. Let's try them on. And add some tiny shells on top.
Wow!
Always keep your treasures on hand. Now let's go see those mean mermaids and show them the real queen of the sea. These snobby sirens can't believe their eyes. Be nice, girls, and she might share her beauty secrets. But first, let's dance. Everybody join in. I just knew she'd make waves someday. Oh, it looks like someone's got a crush. Wow, a hair flip. But can he do it in slow-mo? Well, we can have fun with these stockings. Add makeup. And give your face a whole new texture. Looks great. And don't stop at the face. What's next? Ooh, eyeliner stencil cards. Now you can finally paint your eyes to match your cheeks. Let's add some glitter, or as I like to call it, scales. Now let's add some pearls. We've got plenty. So pretty, you'll wish you could see your own eyes. But now let's do something about that dew. Then again, maybe the braids weren't so bad. Don't worry, these spiral hair rollers should help. Just roll them onto the hook and run your hair through it. Huh, I like it. Very colorful. Oh, right. You're supposed to give it some time to set. And then you take off the rollers. Now your hair has a lot more bounce. And this eyelash glue should help you shape your hair any way you like. Now add some finishing touches. And you've got your very own tiara. Ew, maggots! Got any tweezers? Chopsticks could help, if you knew how to use them. Good thing we've got a chopstick holder. Did I mention it's also a giraffe? It's okay, Nemo's got you covered. More importantly, he's got glitter. A few more squeezes and you'll be sparkling in no time. What's that? Oh no! A fishnet! Well, scissors to the rescue. You know, this fishnet could be a fashion statement. Cut it up a little more and it's a new top. And some shells can help decorate it. Some sea flora also comes in handy if you need a little color. What else can we use? Ooh, a giant clam. We could make a pearl necklace. Or even better, a brand new bikini top. Oh no, the fishermen are back! And they brought hooks, but maybe we can put them to better use. Bend them into shape. Add to a plastic tile. Cut around the design and add some glue. Make it shine with some glitter and rhinestones.
Wow.
Now it's the perfect fin to add behind your ear. Wow, your mermaid makeover's finally complete. Now, how do we get out of here? Okie dokie. Time to show off her new look. Ooh, a hair flip. I see the student has become the master. Looks like he's impressed. And she's threatened. Oh, where does she keep getting water from? Joke's on her. Now she can show off her new tail. Ah, love is in the air and under the sea. Pretty fishy stuff, but in a good way. Catch you next time.